How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. I'm not gonna do an installation. uh, I'm not gonna work on the car or give an advice on the car. So I have kind of bad news. Unfortunately, something happened to my Suvi, and I'm gonna show you in a minute what happened to it. So Friday, right now, the day I'm recording this is Sunday. Friday afternoon, my wife was driving her Suvi, and then something happened to it. So let me show you. See that? Bumper is damaged, fender, the rim, door, rear door, and a little bit of this rim right here. This spot right here. Couple scratches on the rear bumper, and this panel right here. So yeah, pretty bad accident. But I decided to make this upload just to show you what happened to the Suvi last Friday. Unfortunately, somebody hit us. I was on the passenger side. My wife was driving. Fortunately for us, it wasn't her fault. It was the other person's fault. Um, we were going straight, and she tried to make a left turn, and then she hit us, and the other car gets destroyed. That's one thing that I really love about the Subaru's quality. Safety is a very good car. So I'm not saying that I recommend the Subaru. I'm just saying the I know the safety feature on these cars is really amazing. That's why I get this car. And if you can see, it was a very big hit because the other car it was destroyed. The whole front was gone on the other car. Even it hits the rim, it scratched the whole rim. It didn't blow the tire, and no airbags deployed. Everything inside was okay. My wife is okay. My son was okay. I was okay. We were okay in the accident, but the car, still drive straight. The steering wheel shakes a little bit, but I think that's just alignment because it was shaking before the accident. But look at that. That can tell you how well they make the Suvis. Even the steering wheel is really straight. Nothing happened. Even if you can see there, the tire get a big hit. The steering wheel is straight. Everything is okay. Car is still drivable. Obviously, I'm waiting for the report. The police is gonna get the report in like 3 days. Then I'm gonna contact the insurance from the other lady, so she can pay for this because it was her fault. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna keep rid of it because we're expecting another child, so I'm gonna need something bigger. But obviously I'm gonna get another Subaru, probably an Outback, but I don't know yet. I gotta go around and check it out, but probably the Subaru is gonna go after I fix it and then get something bigger. But that's it for this one, guys. I'm just trying to show you what happened to the Subi. I was thinking about getting new wheels. Thank God I didn't get them because one of them will be destroyed right now. So there you have it, guys. The Subi gets a little bit of damage, but something that we wanna fix. And I'm gonna probably gonna make another upload about this. Hopefully, when the lady and the insurance pay for it, take it and fix it, and probably then I'm gonna sell it. I love them because of that. The Subaru is really safe when it comes to an accident, but it's not like Subaru pay me for this. Okay, this video is not sponsored. So guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I hope you like this upload. I'm gonna keep you posted on whatever happens with the Subi. Hopefully I get a check really fast so I can fix it, and I'm gonna keep you posted on whatever happens. So I hope you like this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.